My name is Shreya Hemant Solanki and I have graduated from Bachelor of Architecture, and now I am working with my father. I completed my college from Sarigam, Lakshmi Institute of Architecture. Particularly now I have decided for Canada because I found that for project management and or in construction management they have lots of opportunity. For going myself decided because my father didn't want to send me abroad, but I have to go. My father was very upset because I am his very much loving child, and he thought that I will help him in his construction business, but I want to study in abroad, so I have decided to go abroad. In listening, I got 6.5, and other module I got 6. So overall band score is 6. So one of my friend already have done IELTS class from Decent. So he told me very confidently that you have to go for Decent and you will definitely get your band score. But I am little scared because I am from Gujarati medium. So I decided to come here for inquiry. Neil Bhavsar, he was my college colleague, so he recommended me to. I came with my father, and my father were very curious about the education, so he asked him some questions like what they teach and what the overall process is. So it was very great to first meet Utkarsh sir, and I feel that he is very gentleman, and so it was very great. Actually, it was online class because of the COVID, but it was first module of listening. So I feel like it was very easy because listening was easy. But when I started writing and for speaking, I found very much difficulties. So I felt like it was not my cup of tea. So I have to work very hard. I have made many mistakes in writing, in particularly spelling, so and also the basic of grammar. So sir told me that if you want, you also attend grammar classes. So I have decided to first clear my grammar, then I started writing as well after that. Practical speaking tests are conducted twice a week, and for online they conducted once in a week. So it was very grateful for particularly Gujarati medium student because we don't have English in our daily life. So it was very helpful for me also. For my experience, for writing, I found very much help because I didn't find any particular word, or I didn't get any true sentences like true formation. So now I am able to write the writing of later, and now I am able to speak. Like in first year or in last year in college, I didn't speak particularly one sentence. Now I have that confidence after attending in decent classes to speak in English. So it was very great because I found all of 3 faculties are very friendly. I didn't feel like it is a class. I feel like I met my friends. So especially Utkarsh sir is very friendly, and also Mansi ma'am and Maitri ma'am are also very helping nature, and they help us a lot. One thing I will always remember that in one class Utkarsh sir always tells us that English is not for only IELTS. So you need English in every step in your life. So I will never forget that one sentence, and that day I decided to go with English in every day. So I have started movies like comic books, and Utkarsh sir's importance in my life is very much because as I am from Gujarati medium, so I have lot of fear in speaking in English. So after met him, I started speaking in English, and so I remember him in my life. Every day was memorable, but when we did speaking, particularly group speaking, that was the day which I felt very memorable, because I heard many people's thought, and that everyone committed mistakes, and everyone has different thoughts. So we learn about many aspects and many thoughts or many ideas in speaking in Descent. Especially my father was very happy, because he never thought that I have cleared my exam in one attempt. He told me once after my exam that we have to now collect money for second attempt also, no? So I have told him that if I have to appear for second time, I don't want to appear. When result came on 6 a.m. on morning, I first go to my father bedroom and told him that I have cleared my exam. So he was like my daughter cleared this exam, so anyone can do this. Definitely, like I will recommend, not for only IELTS, but also for English learning, because they don't only teach English, but Utkarsh sir and Maitri ma'am and also Mansi ma'am teaches us to how to be very confident and how to speak very confidently in English. So I will definitely recommend my friends, my colleagues, and also my uncles or near and dear ones to go with once in Descent.